What is it, Luna? You gonna get it?
She's like, I don't know. This isn't like my normal one. This one's quiet.
Yeah.
It does weird stuff. Let's see. Did it pick up that little blue thing? It was over there? Yes, it did. Oh, nope. It moved it over there. Well, maybe it'll pick it up.
Luna's like, I don't know about this. Don't know about this.
And she's like, I'm used to this thing going random and crazy. Oh, there's a door. Cage. Oh, okay, move around the cage. Alright. Luna, it's gonna get you. You better move. This one should go around the cats if they don't move. Maybe not when it's first learning, but... There it goes. Gotta go that way.
So it's kind of like mowing the yard kind of pattern or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, like one would normally vacuum. Back and forth, back and forth. Like what the Nito did. All the newer Roombas are like that. But this one's got more suction and stuff. That's why it's actually picking things up.
Going in your territory, kitty cat.
Oh, found a spot where there's extra stuff. Go back over it. So it's not like mowing the vacuum or mowing the yard, sweetie. Because you usually don't have to go back over it again and again to get it.
In the backyard you do when it's too high.
Yeah. Look at her. She's like, what is this? Can I ride this one? Of course, if she does and she touches the buttons, it's going to do some weird stuff. And it overlaps, too. You see that? It overlaps its own cleaning path so it doesn't miss anything. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, little thing? Sweetie, it's over there. Oh, it's going to empty itself. Oh, shoot. Cool. Very cool. Is it Luna that meowed at it or Nico? Sweetie. Look at that.
What happened, Miko?
Says, I pooped. That is cool. Better move, Luna. It's probably going to come back for you. That's figuring out where it is. Says, oh, we got to go back over here. Move, Luna. Look at Miko. Look at Miko. Look at it. What you looking at, Miko? What happened?
So it already filled that bin up.
Yeah, it sucked up that much stuff. Mind you, I haven't vacuumed in a good while. I think, what was it, last weekend is when I vacuumed.
Probably like, what, a year or two ago, maybe?
Ha ha ha, very funny.
It's on the record now.
You saw me vacuuming, like, last
Like a year
weekend.
ago, yeah.
Last weekend.
Get it, Luna. Kill.
Badass. I like this.
And so it's kind of going back to the same pattern before.
Same spot, same pattern. It just figures out where it is and goes back.
Okay.
Same thing the Nito did, but this one uses a camera. Different system. That's why it still has the bumper. It's not the... I forget what the Nito one is. It uses like a radar system. This one does something... It just uses the camera and kind of senses where objects are. And that. And supposedly the first 2 or 3 times it cleans up the